Tired of your Salesforce alias being wrong or outdated? In 30 seconds, I will show you exactly how to fix it. So here is the thing. That little alias of yours shows up everywhere in Salesforce. It pops up in reports, it appears in activity feeds, and it gets attached to records you own. When it is wrong, it causes real confusion. People see a random or outdated name, and they do not know who actually did the work. That is a headache you do not need. All right, here is the plan. We start by clicking your profile icon. Then we go into Settings. We find the Alias field, type in your new one, and save it. Simple stuff. Let me walk you through it. First up, let us handle the profile icon. Look in the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. You will see a small circle with either your picture or your initials. Go ahead and click that. This opens a little drop-down menu with your name and a few quick options. Now, this is important. Pay attention to exactly where you click, because the menu that pops up is very specific about what it offers. From that drop-down, the option we want is Settings. It's usually right there under your name. Click on Settings. This takes you into your personal setup page, separate from the main Salesforce admin area. This is where you control everything about your own user experience, like your language, your time zone, and yes, your alias. We are in the right spot. Now we are inside the settings page. On the left-hand side, you will see a navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Personal Information. Go ahead and click on that. It expands to show a few different fields. One of them is named Alias. This is the one we are after. Here is where the magic happens. The alias field is usually a short text box, pre-filled with something that probably does not fit you anymore. Maybe it is an old internal nickname, maybe it is a generic default. Whatever it is, click inside that field and type your new alias. And here is a quick tip from experience. Keep it professional. Use your first name and last initial, or your full last name, or something standard that your team will recognize instantly. Salesforce limits this to a certain number of characters, so you do not need a long description, just something clear and identifiable. Once you have piped the new alias, do not forget the final step. Scroll down to the bottom of that page and find the Save button. It is usually blue and right there in the bottom right corner. Click it. Give it just a second to process, and that is it. Your alias is updated. All right, let us quickly recap. Click your profile icon, go to Settings, click on Personal Information, type your new alias, and then Save. That is all it takes. No admin help required, no support tickets, just a few clicks, and you are done. So now, every time that alias pops up in a report or on an activity feed, it will be accurate. It represents you correctly. That small change makes a big difference in keeping your Salesforce data clean and trustworthy. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and fix that alias. You will be glad you did.